Hey, first grade. It's great to see you guys again. Last time we talked about equal shares. So let's remember two things that are the same size, two parts that are the same size. Now today we're going to be talking about fractions. Fractions are parts of a whole. We are going to be talking about three types of fractions today. We're first going to be talking about halves. Now halves are two equal parts when it's split into two equal parts. So we have 1/2 or 2/2. So we have two equal parts. So the fraction for 1/2, which means one out of the two slices are colored, would be 1/2. If you have two halves, okay, if both sections are colored, it's 2/2. All right, so let's look. Circle the shapes that show halves. So they show two parts. Let's see. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2. Yes. Let's add this little thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. No. So now we look at the next one. It says color in half of each shape. So 1/2, one section. So we're going to color in one section. Please forgive my coloring. It is very difficult to color with a mouse. One section, and one section. Okay, now it says to partition the shapes into halves. So let's see. So we can go right down the middle here and make it into two halves. We can go right down the middle here and make it into two halves. Go right down the middle here, and we can go right down the middle there. Now my halves aren't perfect because I didn't fold it like I'm supposed to. Let me shift them over a little bit. Okay, that makes it a little bit better. Okay, next one. Thirds. Now thirds are three when you split it into three sections. So let's circle the shapes that show thirds. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2. No. All right, now it says color in 1/3 of each shape. So last time we talked about halves, so now we're going to talk about thirds. We have 1 out of the 3. So this is the amount that's colored. Okay, so this is the colored, shaded. Say shaded. Okay, and then this is the total. So you have what's shaded and what's total. All right, so let's color 1. Okay, color 1, color 1. I'm not completely coloring because it's difficult. 1 and 1. So we already started to partition here. I didn't partition this one because it's really difficult to partition in Active Inspire, but I will partition this one for you and we can fix it a little bit there. Okay, so this is 2/3, so that means 2 are shaded and there's 3 total, and 3/3 means 3 are shaded out of a total of 3. Okay, over here we've got fourths. Fourths mean there are 4 slices. Okay, so we're going to circle the shapes that have 4, okay, that show fourths. All right, 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. 1, 2, 3, no. And these are not equal, so they cannot be fourths. So let's color real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to color 1. We're going to color 1. We're going to color 1. Color 1 and 1. So remember, the top number is the amount shaded and the bottom is the total. Okay, I will be back to do some more more practice in the next video. Go rewatch so you know halves, thirds, and fourths. See you soon. Bye.